Yeah, she wanna sit on my lap. Yeah.
Fuck. Hey. What?
I need all my bitches same color as Drake. If they not, then they getting rocked. Put that Pyrex in the pot. I don't give a fuck if you out there in the six, suck a dick. Pussy boy, you getting hit with the and I'm really with the shit. So you not gonna take my hits. Break my heart while I break your bitch. 2 black bars, they broke my wrist. Fuck it this. Boy, I'm dragging bodies like it's metal girl. I don't care. Watch your fucking status. Peggy got no fur. Jugger not come with them bands, ayy. Gunner not coming no plan, ayy. Keep the chin back, pad, ayy. Cracks never get a pathway. Credit like my name was Shad, ayy. Watch me fucking tag, babe. Okay, get your demo out my face, shot. Trying to get that thick Kelly Conway. Pull my case, boy, I beat that shit like Lennon beat his bae. Young O'Shea, Young Ice Cube on the back. I need a bitch with long hair like Mike Seatown. Yeah. Talking shit, I'm talking shit, you catch a beat down. Yeah. You know you never in the hood or in the streets now. Hey. Still I'm hearing that you really want some beef now. Bruh, take a tree, I'm a backwood. Make the beat cause I'm that good. Got your girl on her hands, Johnny Vibe with the cans. Fuck a block, fuck a fan. On my record get panned. At least I made you niggas dance. Fuck 12 niggas still.